Welcome to my channel. And in this video, we will learn together how to create a stunning dual lighting effect using Photoshop. This effect can add an artistic and cinematic touch to your photos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all the new videos. Now, let's get started. First, we open the image we want to apply the effect to in Photoshop. I chose this image to demonstrate the tutorial. Second, we duplicate the image layer by pressing Ctrl+J for Windows or CMD+J for Mac. Now, we select the selection tool from the toolbar and select the person in the image by choosing Select Subject. Now, all we need to do is activate the mask by clicking the Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Great! Now we will choose the black and white effect from the bottom of the Layers panel. Don't forget to create a clipping mask on the person's image only by standing on the layer and pressing Alt. Now, we go to Color Adjustments and apply Gradient Map to the layer. Then, choose a suitable blue color from the color picker and set the blend mode to Hard Light. Now, you will notice the difference and the effect of the blue color on the person. You can reduce it a little by lowering the opacity. Next, we select the brush tool from the toolbar and choose a soft brush with an appropriate size. Then, we click on the mask layer in the gradient map and lightly erase from one side, considering the angles of light reflection on the person. We will use the brush to paint on the white mask. Make sure the foreground color is black. Brush over the areas where you want the first light to appear. Great! Now we will duplicate the layer on the person again, but here we will invert the mask by pressing Ctrl+I. This time, choose a different color in the color adjustment layer. You can pick red to add a nice contrast. Finally, we change the background color to black. Now we have a stunning image with a dual lighting effect. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay updated. If you have any questions or suggestions for new topics, leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching.
رفعته لك من خوفي فأنت له